So for years, this spot has been one of the most celebrated food stops in Kingston. At the end of 2023, there was a bit of controversy surrounding the area based off an incident that happened. I'm not going to get into detail as to exactly what happened, but measures have been put in place to ensure that something like that doesn't happen again. So yeah, you saw the title today. We're by Hero Circle, or Crab Circle as it's affectionately called. So normally when people come here, the three main staples are like roast corn, soup, and crab. Kinda have plans for dinner later, so might not be getting all three. Probably just get like a soup and a crab. So yeah, welcome back to the channel, Maroons. Let's see how this turns out.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
So as you guys can see, everybody has their own little sink area now, as well as there's a bathroom and more sinks back that side. It was a part of the issue that caused the whole shutting down of this place sometime last year. As I said, there are only 2 vendors today, so I'm going to buy a crab from her because she has more crabs. That's a crazy statement, she has crabs. But she has crabs, so I'm going to buy a crab from her, and I'm going to buy soup from the other lady out that side. But yeah, just going test the food because it's the first time I'm coming here, to be honest. Yeah, may I try build one?
Come let me talk to you.
Yeah?
The right place to be.
It's the right place. You're frequent here, so yeah?
The best.
Best. First time I come across.
What's the first time here?
Yeah.
Okay. The last time I come here, I have a picture of them in my phone. Alice the bike What me don't want mommy see it.
Sell me a cup.
The best place to be. No, he's made channel.
What you say, night?
Skin, chicken,
Coast.
Let me see. We need to take
Coast
this.
skin. We
We
can't
need to
get
take the pot.
no food.
sweet and sweet.
Yeah.
Look at this. My God. Why you don't have a lot of crab? Them the crab they alone.
Scarce.
Me like to when the pot put the pot full of a crab.
Scarce sometimes.
You know me don't like it. The last time I buy me never did it.
So like you normally sell off the pot of soup? Yeah. Get out there hot spots still, you know.
No go high?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
And bag it up.
No, I have to drink it. No, you don't have to waste them upon it.
So no come high.
No.
That pepper I get with you.
Yeah man, that's good. Woo, thanks.
Alright.
Move with it careful now.
You can't eat with us, you can come and eat with us.
Yeah?
Yeah. So we're going to compare the soup and you tell me which one of them tastes better.
Which one which soup you buy? From you buy it from the first lady. Okay. Put the pepper in cause
Look at me, what do you think about the soup? This is the best. Yeah? Yes. This one is the best.
Let me see if me lucky like you forget now. Get one decent piece.
Yeah, one big like mine?
No man, that one you tick to man.
I want the thing.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Guys, I'm going to try it.
Alright, we're going to try it now. Come.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. This one is the best.
Oh, the pepper there.
Yeah, well, you know what I would
It's
say?
nice though.
You know what I would say? For this lady,
Mm-hmm.
her is a more spicy. Yeah, it's nice, but
More mild.
yeah, more mild. So if you
Oh.
want like a spicy, something more, you know,
Can buy
try
some
from
shit.
she. Yeah,
Oh.
it's good. Crab too. Crab.
I'm gonna buy a crab from her.
Yeah, go buy a crab from her. The one on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Does she have more crab?
Yeah, so that's how you kind of rate like the person who have the most.
Mm-hmm.
You think that's the one with the best one?
Not really, you know. Because I normally could have sell off,
Yeah,
yeah.
one tastes good.
But just she did have more money, say, alright. Just support the two of them.
Yeah. So that's what me and my sister do. So
Mm-hmm.
instead of buy from one person, we'll switch it so we can compare to see.
For real. So this is my first time. So probably the next time I come back,
You try from the other
we'll
one.
try the
yeah,
other
try
one.
from the other one.
Where you from?
Well, I'm from St. Mary.
St. Mary. Oh, so you're from... Oh, so you come back home now
Yeah,
or just
yeah.
visiting?
Actually, tomorrow is my birthday.
Tomorrow, so you come home for your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What you trying to do? We're trying our stuff, so now we're into El Shop.
Oh.
Then Devon know. Then we go Devon House. You want to come on? You want to come on board?
Go ahead, sir, if you go Aunt Maze, you know.
And where people go?
Aunt Maze.
And maids, which part she did? Tell me which part she did.
Right on the front, you will see sign. Aunt
She's a
Maze
lady?
and
She's a woman?
yeah. One Indian lady.
And maids, remember the name? I will not go back to your place over last time.
So anytime I go Hell Shop,
Yes.
tea.
Our fish tastes good.
Yeah man, our fish good man.
You want one more soup? Water.
Maroons?
Yeah.
The soup is absolutely worth it. We get like 5 or
Bye.
6
Don't
pieces of
call me and ask me to
cow
say
skin
bye-bye.
plus chicken foot is and it's so nice.
Yeah.
We have an idea. Yeah guys, we get
Your food, you know?
piece more is a lot of cow skin. Like this alone probably full my belly. No, for some people this might look a bit odd, but for us Caribbeans, it's a delicacy. We love with chicken foot. Soup is amazing. It's almost done. Done. First of all, it's really filling. It tastes amazing. At first, it seemed a bit too spicy, but it wasn't. Maybe it's because I got a Scotch bonnet in mine why it felt so spicy, but it's not spicy at all. It's good flavors, nice and warm, perfect. I recommend her soup. If you come here, recommend her soup. Share who again? Let me see. K. Yeah, so K. I definitely recommend K soup. So if you guys come here, you can buy soup from K. So I got the soup from K. I headed down to now to see if I can get the crab here. And what's your name? Mixie. Alright, so we just got the crab I bought from Mixie. So she was explaining to me that one of the reasons that a lot of persons aren't out here currently is because some changes were made. So there's a course that you have to take before you're allowed to be out here selling. I think that's a step in the right decision. It's funny how so much good and how much improvement can come from such a bad incident, because really and truly that kind of triggered all of this improvement and some form of qualification by way of the course is a good improvement to ensure that the standard remains up to par. Typical me, I left the screw to screw the camera to the tripod, so I have to be using my hand, so I try to use one hand pull the crab. Ooh. Immediately as we pull the bag, the scent hit me. Immediately.
Yeah, as me come with it, you ask me if you did want to water too. And him they are long. Don't you can't hush me down. You can't hush me down. Come people, come and kick it.
When we don't eat the crab then? Before our tea. Man, the pepper in water, you know?
Yeah, the pepper, yeah.
Pepper in water, man, but it's nice.
Very spicy.
Guys, you have no idea how spicy this is, how good it is. You can taste all the flavors in it.
Your circle crab really good.
What is it?
Oh wow.
You just barely suck it on.
That's fun.
Yeah.
You know eat crab?
Like that because so they eat some things I don't know where I eat that. Okay.
Guys, this meat is so sweet, and then all the spices that's in the broth just go well with it.
I want to know. That's where I got.
Oh wow. If you're somebody that eats crab, forget what happened last year. If you're somebody that eats crab, definitely need to come check it out. It's the best crab I've had in a long while. Well, I mean, I don't eat crab that often, but it's the best I can remember.
Did you try the corn?
No, I didn't buy the corn.
We have go all around and try the different food then. So when we leave here, so we go Devon now. So now the curry goat patty.
Curry goat
They have
patty?
a curry goat patty there. Yes. You see on the internet, you go back it.
First me I hear about that.
Yeah, them about Devon now.
Whoa, whoa, there's a lot of juice in these clouds, guys. Yeah, take care.
Alright, guys. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright.
You guys are lopsided.
How did you feel, Kaya?
So good.
Straight juice for the ice.
Wow. So good. Look at this. Oh wow. Whoa. Guys, this is so good. Still have more meat in this. Let's use one of the legs of the next crab to scrape out the meat out this one with. Get rid of this. Get rid of the gills.
Hey Maroons! Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share.
Crabs out the back. When clad, them clad drop off. Oh, save them clad. Oh, so me get all 2 extra claws. I got 2 extra claws in it. That's gonna leave those extra claws for after. Oh wow, that's the best tasting part I've had. This one soak up like twice the amount of flavor. I don't know how. Guys, I hope you guys can keep the comments positive. As I said, there has been a lot of changes around here. You guys, you just saw that I washed my hands. So everybody has their own station at their store, so there's no sanitary concerns. There's a bathroom over there. But yeah, so it's just holistic improvement on the area, and you guys should definitely check it out. The crab is good, sweet, the broth is spicy. Flavors of the spices that they put in there is immaculate. It's funny that I just came to town to get a few things and then ended up stopping here by chance and meeting some lovely people. This is a short one for you guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, a positive comment, leave a like, share the video, and if you get a chance, come down here. I'm going to head out now and attend to business, but remember Maroons in everything that you do. Be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. See you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.
Never got believe me, mama would have found it up to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow Johns, why you feel like listen. Anything to turn ain't a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.